Hey Kerry, we got your 92 F250 computer, the T2X1 done, and one of the capacitors was pretty messy. That one there needed a good bit of cleaning up, but it looks like it worked out pretty good. There's your top capacitor, and there's your second one. And your third one. That green stuff is new conformal coating. It's UV hardened, and it's a little darker green than the original stuff, but don't let that bother you. It's just a different color of coating. Okay, let's give it a quick test to make sure everything's cool. Got the 5-volt regulator, got the check engine light, got the fuel pump that runs for 1 second every time you turn the key on. Yep, that's right. Then we go into code pulling mode. That should start linking 2-digit trouble codes. And there we go. Looks good. Think you're going to have a good result.